Ari. Hi, Ari. Come here, pumpkin. Hi. What you doing, Ari? Huh? What you doing? There's my big kitty doing. Look at that big, beautiful tail. Look at that pretty tail. Who's got a pretty tail? Huh? And look at all this. Looks like you're turning chocolate. Yeah. You're so pretty. Oh, gonna start rolling around? Okay. You talk to Piper? Everybody loves the old girl. Piper takes care of all the kittens. Yeah. Ari's so pretty. He's a pretty kitty. Yeah. Hi, Ari. Hi. What you doing? Huh? Ari loves to have his face rubbed. He loves this right here. He's so pretty. Such a pretty big cat. He's only 9 months old. Look how pretty he is. He's gonna make a beautiful Maine Coon. Yeah, you. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Hi there. Hey. Hi there. Hi, precious. He's happy.